The Black Day of Ukrainian air defense continues. This time, footage of the Lancet hitting the launcher of the Ukrainian S-300 PS air defense system right on the march was published on April 27. Russian airborne paratroopers share the first footage of the destruction of launches of the Ukrainian S-300 air defense systems in the Kherson direction. The crew knew that the Lancet was chasing them, but they could not escape. Confirmation of the successful defeat of a Ukrainian S-300 near the village of Luch, Snigorevsky district, Mykolaiv region, shared in Telegram. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said in total, Ukraine lost 413 jet fighters, 229 helicopters and 3,887 unmanned aerial vehicles. Also 421 air defense missile systems, 8,887 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,095 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,679 field artillery guns and mortars, as well as 9,820 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed since the beginning of the special military operation. The other side, Ukraine military officials said Russia lost 540 servicemen in a single day, including 3 armored personnel carriers and 6 drones. In total, Russia lost 189,640 servicemen. Ukraine also published footage of the gunners in cooperation with aerial reconnaissance, destroyed Russia BMPs in the direction of Bakhmut. Bakhmut's defense continues, said the official statement in Telegram. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 429 days. There are still no peace agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!